both public and private. And as you can see in the image on the right, the given data had all event sequence set to 0. And the predictions within a 30-second range from the ground truth event doesn't affect the competition's evaluation metric. Because the error tolerance thresholds are 1, 3, 5, 7.5, 10, 12.5, 15, and 12, 12.5, 25, and 30 minutes. For example, the same score is returned whether the timestamp of the submission is 5, 10, 15, 20, or 25 seconds. So we estimated the score as 15 and 14.5 second points of each minute. Submitted the one with the highest value. The reason we are calculating two expectations, 50 seconds and 45 seconds, is that there are two halfway thresholds, 7.5 and 12.5. I know it's difficult to understand just now, so I'll explain the algorithm in detail. For brief explanation, we first estimated the score for each point and then obtained the highest score point. And next, the score was recalculated after discounting the score for the points already obtained. And this operation was repeated 500 times. Further, I'll explain in detail. First, let me explain how scores were calculated. The score was calculated using the output value of the second stage level model. Define tolerance n score as a sum of second stage predicted value with n steps. And then the score calculated as follows. Tolerance 12 score plus tolerance 36 score plus tolerance 360 score. Okay. And then this was calculated for all points and the highest score was obtained. Like this image. Okay. And next, step 2. And the next step is to recalculate the score. We removed the predicted value of the points within each tolerance steps of the adapted point. For example, in the case of 12 steps, the predicted values within 12 steps of the adapted point were removed as shown in the figure above. In the case of 36 steps, the predictions within 36 steps were removed as shown in the figure below. And then we obtained the point with the highest score again. This process was repeated 500 times for the final submission. For post-processing, the following techniques were also made. First, normalize the predictions of the second-level model daily. Without this, the CV LB private score wouldn't have increased so dramatically. And when recalculating the score, calculate the difference from the previous score to reduce computation. And speed up the post-processing using zip compilation. Results. The final result was fast pace. Thank you for hosting such an interesting competition. Thanks.